I've found that if you don't read the comments on a YouTube video, you're missing out. I did a video a little while ago about mega roll toilet paper, and I wasn't complimentary. 901 Ronnie made a few comments, and I thought he nailed it right on the head. He says, good old economics at work. The four most expensive things in toilet paper are the tube, the plastic wrapping the product, the cardboard box they ship in, and finally transportation. Paper doesn't weigh much, but takes up a lot of room in a trailer going to the grocery store. Cheapest thing is the toilet paper. Let's make more profit. Increase the size of the roll, and you reduce the four most expensive things. They charge more for the larger rolls. Everybody wins, except the consumer, who have to fight the problem you point out. I guess I shouldn't complain, or they will be making lifetime rolls, and we will all have to be putting up sheds like you have to hold the roll of toilet paper. Ever wonder where the 5-pound sugar or flour packages went? Why we have plastic grocery sacks instead of paper? Weight versus cube on the delivery trucks. And I replied, wow, that had us laughing. We would not have to worry about hoarders buying up all the TP. When we left the hospital with our newborn, we would have a semi hauling the building and the TP, followed by a crane to unload and set the building. I was thinking of buying a bidet. Then I realized I would need something to dry off or drip all the days of my life. Answer to that problem would be one of those hurricane blow dryers that my wife hates in public bathrooms. Hit the bidet button, and the hose gives you an enema, followed by a blast of hot air that launches you off the seat. Final issue would be having to go everywhere with your semi full of TP, or travel with a porta potty rigged up with a hose and blower. Well, Ronnie read that and had a few more comments. He says, I have a daughter who's 23 now. When she was 3, we were in a home improvement store that had a bidet set up and plumbed so the water was running all the time. She saw it and ran over to it and stuck her hands in it and in her loudest voice announced to the entire store, Look, Daddy, a sink just my size. I can see that, can't you? As I tried to dry her hands, I noticed the water was cold. I thought right there then that the cold water couldn't feel good, and your cheeks were going to be puckered up so tight. Never thought about a cold water enema. You had me laughing out loud as I read about the hand dryer launching you off the seat. We all had a good laugh today.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.